In this lesson, I will explain why we use ExecutorService. Compared to traditional thread creation, there are several issues. Let's look at a simple code example. Here is a parameter being passed in. Each time a parameter is passed, a new thread is created. There is no proper management mechanism. Without a thread limit, it can exceed the capacity of CPU and RAM, causing OS or application out-of-memory errors. Thread creation is also expensive because each new thread requires the CPU to allocate a separate stack space. It also initializes its own data structures and registers itself with the operating system. There is no reuse. When a thread is created, it runs its logic, and after processing the logic, the thread is destroyed. Its stack cannot be reused for future tasks. It is hard to manage. Each thread manages itself independently. There is no central control. There is also no queue. Without a queue, there is no task rejection behavior. Incoming tasks are executed immediately. A new thread is created right away. Now let's look at the benefits. The advantages. Thread pools. Creating a pool. Threads are reused, reducing overhead. Threads can be limited. This helps prevent OOM, which stands for out of memory. It also provides a queue. This allows handling a large number of concurrent tasks and reduces pressure on the system. Lifecycle management. It provides safe shutdown methods. Starting from JDK 1.7, Autoclosable was introduced. It supports automatic resource cleanup. Thread Factory. It allows creating threads according to our requirements. Threads can be customized. Rejection policies. They reduce system load. When too many tasks arrive, they help protect the system under heavy load. ExecutorService also provides statistics ACE. We can call these methods to monitor the state of the system. For example, running threads, completed threads, and diagnosing issues using these metrics. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.